see some people out there already enjoying Kennebunk Beach this morning. You know, it's a warm morning again.
Yes,
We're kind of in that.
Especially in Kennebunk.
Yeah.
Temperatures in the 70s in some parts of York County already.
Wow.
That's all thanks to those big things in the sky, the clouds.
You love the clouds.
Yeah, I do love the clouds. You know, I picked a good profession for being so obsessed with the clouds.
It's funny. Yeah, it fits pretty well. I don't know.
There's a certain type of cloud that, you know, sometimes touches the ground that we don't like to really see, and we had a few of those confirmed over the last couple of weeks in New England. Connecticut had its first. Ooh, take a look at that. Oh yeah, nice sunrise over Portland. Unfortunately, again, shrouded by the clouds in central Maine and northern Maine, though. Beautiful sunrise. If you got sunrise pictures, send them in. Always love to see those too. On Thursday, we had some stronger thunderstorms locally, and there was a confirmed tornado in northwestern Connecticut, the first of the year. But Vermont leads the way for New England tornadoes so far this season. Now, Maine averages 2 per year. There have been none so far, and last year there were 0 confirmed tornadoes in Maine as well. That'd be a nice stat to keep going throughout the rest of the summer, but we do have more severe weather possible coming up next week. As far as high temperatures go, we've hit our peak, 80 degrees for the highest average high temperature. That happens July 24th, and then we will slowly trend down now over the next several weeks. We don't really start to see daytime high temperatures fall on average quite a bit until we get into September and October. So we still have a lot of time, and of course, as you all know, August is sometimes a very, very hot month depending on what the actual weather pattern is. The dog days of summer certainly, and I think it's possible that we'll be talking about those next week again. A little bit of relief on the drought monitor here from northern Carroll County, New Hampshire, mostly along Route 2 and then up toward Millinocket, and that's where the thunderstorms have mostly been tracking over the last few weeks. So this is where we've had a bit of a surplus of rain, which has helped the drought situation a ton. But we still have a moderate drought ongoing from Bangor down to the Penobscot Bay, the entire mid-coast, the capital region, and then from Portland south into York County too, plus from Greenville to Rangeley and across some of the higher peaks in western Maine. All the showers this morning would have been great to get onshore, but unfortunately most of those have missed us. We still have some showers ongoing right now near the islands of the Penobscot Bay, but in general things stayed dry last night and more dry weather is on the way later today. All of these clouds came through, especially along the coastline, but unfortunately we just weren't close enough to that center of low pressure itself to actually get in on those showers. It would have been perfect timing and a nice gentle soaking rain, but alas, that has since missed us. Hour-by-hour forecast for the remainder of the day, though, looking great. An isolated pop-up shower or 2 inland later today. I don't think it's going to be a huge issue, and I think most do stay totally dry. Temperatures topping out in the low 80s for many of us. And then tonight we clear back out with temperatures falling down into the 60s. And I think tomorrow we're actually going to warm up even a little bit more with high temperatures approaching the 80s, mid 80s for some, maybe even some upper 80s sprinkled in. Temperatures will be near 80 degrees as early as 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. But the most humid air still stays west of us. However, on Monday, that starts to move on in, and with it, we'll watch dew points start to increase. Temperatures are expected to be higher on Monday. A front approaches Tuesday, makes good use of that air, and that's where we could be talking about showers and thunderstorms yet again. Possibly some stronger storms mixed in, depending on how that all trends. And then the Midwest is expected to just bake for the first week of August, and it's possible that we actually tap into some of that heat and humidity here, depending on exactly how the weather trends. Seas today around 2 to 3 feet, west wind 5 to 10 knots rather, with gusts to 20 knots. Expecting tomorrow to just be a sunny, warm day, hotter and more humid on Monday, with a chance for some storms again on Tuesday and maybe some unsettled conditions lasting through the end of the week. And Chloe, as I've explained a few times this morning, that is really going to have a big impact on just how hot we can get at the end of next week. If we keep the showers and storms away from us, we are talking about low to mid 90s even here. But we could use the rain, and it'd be nice to, get some of that back in the forecast.
Take it day by day. Thank you, Mike.